Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you? Good morning. So, yes, I'm fine, Shurya. How are you, everyone? Hope you all are fine. And tell me, how was your science exam? Good. How was your science exam? Very good. Very good. So you all gave the all answers, right? I'm fine, Sritama. Very good, very good. So tomorrow you have EVS exam, right? And you have to give those EVS exam very well as like your science exam. I'm fine. Shibanita, how are you? Shaptarshi, can't you see me and others? Shaptarshi, maybe you have network problem. You can rejoin, okay? Disconnect the call and join again. Okay? I'm now taking your attendance. Rishi Ghoshal. Rishi Ghoshal, are you present? Ritam Pal. Shachit. Shagun. Shaptorshi Chatterjee. Sharanya Datto. Shibanita Chatterjee. Shayanti Malik, Shanaya Yasmin, Sredati Dre, Sredatri De, Sheikh Parvez Rahman, Shanaya Yasmin present. Sanaya Yasmin present. Okay. Shraddha Das, Sheikh Nazim, Sheikh Parvez Rahman present. Sheikh Sajjad, Sheikh Suzana, Sheikh Aryan, Sheikh Riyad, Sheikh Rezaul, Shovik Pal present, Sritama Mondol present, Surya Parvin present, Shikriti Hajra present, Shubhecha, for the others. So here you present, Rishi present, Shanaya, Shaptorshi, Shanaya, Shivanita, Sredati, Sheikh Parvez Rahman, Shovik, Suzana Hossein, Sritama Mondol present. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's start your EVS class, everyone. If you have any problem for this EVS, any problem of EVS book or this syllabus, you can ask me today, okay? Because tomorrow you have EVS exam, so if you have any problem, you can ask me now. And you know that from first chapter about me to 8th chapter, my home is your syllabus of term 1. You know this already, and hope you all read those chapter very attentively. So today I will ask some questions from your term 1 syllabus. So everyone open the page number 12. Open the page number 12. And here you can see, look at the pictures. Look at the pictures and circle the things that you can do. So here is your questions. You can see here are some pictures with their description. So which things you can do, you have to write in your chat box. Okay, you have to write in your chat box that which things you can do. Here, comb your hair. If you can comb your hair by your own, you have to write here in your chat box. Okay, hope you all understand it. So give me the answer fast. Give me the answer first. Very good. So you can comb your hair, and you can mention the other answer also. You can mention the other answer also which you can do. Yes, very good. Take a bath. Very good. Very good. And others, anything which you can do? Very good. Button your dress. And homework, hope you all can do this. Your homework you can do by your own, right? Yes, brush your teeth. Very good. And here you can see, carry your school bag and water bottle. When you came to school, you carried your school bag, right? With water bottle. Yes, keeps your toys orderly. Very good. Very good, Shovik. Okay, everyone. Now open your EVS copybook, because you have to write some questions with answers and you have to answer me here correctly, right? Yes, so now open your copybook. I will give the question. Question number 2. Each part of my body plays an dash role. Which part, each part of my body plays an dash role. So give me the answer, fill the blank with correct answer, right? Very good, everyone, for question number 1, which you all give the answer. Very good. Now give me the answer of question number 2. Shibanita, you can check the board. Each part of my body plays an dash role. Plays an dash role. Hope you understand it. Shibanita. Now give me the answer, everyone. Everyone, I want answer from everyone. Okay? Very good. She give the correct answer. Shovik, please read the question at first. Read the question at first. Each part of my body plays an important role. Yes, they can do the different kind of work, but their role are very important, right, for us. Legs which help us to jump, to stand, to run. So they have an important role, right, for our body. So that is very important. Very good, everyone. Now go to the next question. Question number 3. And dash has a trunk, but I have nose. And dash has a trunk, but I have nose. Now tell me who has trunk. That's so easy. Tell me who has trunk. Everyone give me answer. Rishi, Surya, Saptarshi, very good. Shovik, Shikriti, Sharanya, Shanaya, very good. And others, very good. Parvez. Everyone give me answer. Very good. Yes, so that is elephant. That is elephant. So, and elephant has a trunk, but I have nose, and you know we all have only one nose, right? We all have only one nose. Now go to the next question. Question number 4. Which part of our body do we use to hear music? Tell me by which part of your body you use to hear music? That's so easy. Yes, it ears. We have 2 ears, right? We have only 2 ears. So we use our ear to hear any sound and obviously to hear music also, right? Yes, very good, everyone. So that is ears. The answer is ears. Everyone, did you all copy this at your copybook? Because I have to erase now. Yes, okay, very good. So I am now erasing it. Question number 5. Let's see what's it. Skin help us. Skin helps us to taste. And you have to tell me this is true or false. This is true or false. So skin help us to taste. Is it true or false? Saptarshi said this is true. And others, tell me. Everyone, is it true or false? It's okay, Saptarshi. You have to read the question at first, okay? You have to read the question at first very attentively and then you can answer it. Yes, so that is false. Because we all know skin help us to feel. We have skin all over of our body and it helps us to feel anything, right? So this is false. So I give tick mark on false. So skin help us to taste, that is false. Okay, very good. Skin help us to feel only. Very good, Parvez. Now go to the next questions. That is, we wear dash clothes in summer. We wear dash clothes in summer. Tell me which type of clothes we wear in summer season. Which type of wear we clothe in summer season? That's too easy. Yes, this is cotton clothes. Very good. This is cotton clothes. Everyone give me answer and write those things at your copybook also. Cotton clothes. So we wear cotton clothes in summer. Very good. Now go to the next question, and that is, some people wear special clothes called dash when they go to work. So tell me, what is it? Some people wear special clothes called dash when when, okay, it's when they go to work. When they go to work. Very good. It's uniform. Very good. It's uniform. Very good, everyone. You all gave the correct answer. Now go to the question number 8. And that is, we eat dash meals in a day. We eat dash meals in a day. Very good, Rishi. Rishi gave the answer fast. Everyone, answer me. Yes. That is 3 meals. That is 3 meals. So you all know breakfast, lunch, dinner. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. So those 3 are the main meals in a day. So we eat 3 meals in a day, right? Very good. Now go to the next question. Question number 9. Eat your meals at a dash time. Eat your meals at a dash time. Eat your meals at a dash time. So tell me, which time? Eat your meals at a, yes, right time, regular time. Very good. Everyone give me answer. Very good. So this is, I am writing here, regular time. Regular time. So eat your meals at a regular time. Okay, very good. Right time also the correct answer. Right time also the correct answer. Okay, very good everyone. Now go to the next questions. Question number 10. Fruits and vegetables keeps us dash. So tell me why we take fruits and vegetables. You all know this. Why we take it? Very good. Rishi, Shaptoshi, Parvez, Sharanya, Surya. Very good. And others? I want answer from everyone. Very good. So this is healthy. This is healthy. So fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. Fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. Very good. So hope you all copied this at your copybook. Now I am erasing it. Write the next question. Question number 11. Always walk on the dash. You know this. This is about your safety rules, and you know you have to maintain those safety rules at everywhere. So tell me, always walk on the dash. Yes, very good. Rishi, Shaptoshi, Surya, Sharanya, Parvez, Shovik, very good. Ujan, Sredatri, very good. And others? Very good. Shanaya, Sritama. What's the other's answer? Shikriti, Shibanita. Where's your answer? Give me answer. So that is footpath. Very good. Always walk on the footpath. Always walk on the footpath. Right? Very good. Very good, Shikriti, Shibanita. Give the answer at a time. Okay? Okay, Shibanita. Now go to the next question. Question number 12. Do not play with dash object. Do not play with dash objects. So tell me which types of objects you don't play, never play, and that is very dangerous for everyone. So that's not a playing things also, right? Yes, very good, Rishi. Very good, Shikriti, Surya, Sredatri, Shaptoshi, Parvez. Very good. Sredati, you gave the answer 2 times. Don't do this. You can give answer only once. Okay? Very good, everyone. So that is sharp object. That is sharp objects. And you know the those knives, those scissors, blades, those are sharp objects, and that's not a playing things. And if you play with those things, those things hurt us, right? Those things hurt us. Our skin, our organs can cut by those things as they are very sharp. So don't play with sharp objects. Okay, everyone? Now go to the next question. It's Question number 13. We should keep our body dash to stay healthy and fit. We should keep our body dash to stay healthy and fit. Shovik, I already mentioned healthy and fit. So, which things you have to do to stay healthy and fit? Yes, it's clean. Very good, everyone. Everyone give the answer. Very good. Yes, very good. So, that is clean. That is clean. So, we should keep our body clean to stay healthy and fit. To stay healthy and fit. Very good. Now go to the next question. Question number 14. Brush your teeth dash every day. Brush your teeth dash every day. How many times you have to brush your teeth? That's too easy, and you have to do this regularly, right? Yes, 2 times, in the morning or at night. In the morning and at night. So, twice every day. Twice every day. So, brush your teeth twice every day. Right? Very good, everyone. Very good. 1 time, Shibanita. Is it 1 time? No, beta. That is 2 times. I just told you that in the morning when you wake up from your bed, and at night when you go to sleep after the dinner, right? And in the morning when you wake up, you have to brush your teeth first, then you can take your breakfast. And at the night when you take your dinner, then brush your teeth, then go to sleep. So there is 2 times, twice, 2 times. Okay, Shibanita? Did you understand it? Okay, very good. And you have to brush your teeth twice, okay? Shibanita, you have to brush your teeth twice, in the morning and at night. 2 times, okay? That will be stay your teeth healthy and strong also. Now go to the next question. Small family is called also dash family. So tell me, small family is called also dash family. You know, some of you live with your parents only, right? Your fathers and mother. Some of you lives with your parents, your brothers and sisters, and some of you lives with your parents, brothers, sister, grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousin brother, cousin sister, a lot of members. So there are 2 types of family. One is small family, one is big family. So when you live with your parents and only brother and sisters, that is called small family, and that is, yes, nuclear family. Nuclear family. Very good, everyone. So small family is called also nuclear family. Very good, everyone. Very good. So that is nuclear family. And big family, we called it joint family. We call it joint family. Very good. Sharanya, this is about nuclear family, okay? The answer is nuclear family, not joint family. Now go to the next question. Members of a family dash each other. Members of a family dash each other. So tell me, if when you live with your family members, very good, you love each other. Very good. So members of a family, give me answer everyone. Yes, love each other. Very good. Members of a family love each other. Very good, everyone. You all gave the correct answer. Now next is we live with our dash. We live with our dash. Tell me. Yes, very good. Parvez, Surya, Shanaya, Saptarshi, Rishi. Very good. We live with our family. Very good. Very good, everyone. Now next is we cook food in the dash. We cook food in the dash. So tell me what will be the answer. We cook food in the, where do we cook food? Is it bedroom or bathroom? No, it's kitchen. Very good, it's kitchen. Very good, Shovik and others. So we cook food in the kitchen. Kitchen, kitchen. Kitchen. Next, our house should be airy and dash. Our house should be airy and dash. Very good, Shovik, Shanaya, Ujan, Rishi. Very good. Our house should be airy and sunny. Very good. Our house should be airy and sunny. And that's why in our room, at every room of our house, there are windows and doors, right? And we have to open those windows and doors. That could be, it will be made our room airy and sunny. So in the morning when you wake up, that time you have to open those windows. Very good. And doors also. Very good. It protects us, our room, from germs, right? It protects our rooms and protects us from germs also. And here is your next question, last question, question number 20, and you have to answer me at perfect. Okay? Why we wear clothes? Why we wear clothes. Why we wear clothes? You know that's so easy to you because you read this lot of time. Why we wear clothes? Only to look smart, Shredatri. Only to look smart. Tell me why we wear clothes. Yes, clothes protect us from germs also. And others? Protect from us, Rishi. Clothes protect us. Protect from us. From means আমাদের থেকে protect করে নাকি protect from rain, dust, cold, heat, right? Yes, protect from heat, cold, rain, dust, pollution. Those all things, they protect us. Very good, everyone. So, we wear clothes because it protects us from heat, cold, rain, dust, pollution, and it look smart. So that's why we wear clothes, right? Very good, everyone. Very good. So you all gave the correct answer. Shikriti, is it only heat, rain, cold? It's protect us. Protect us. You have to mention us, right? Protect us from heat, rain, cold, dust, pollution. Those all things. From those all things, clothes protect us. Okay, everyone. So today we completed those question answer part and hope you have all understand it. You haven't any questions from this, have you? If any problem, you can ask me now. Okay, so you have no problem. Okay, everyone. So best wishes for your EVS exam. All the best for your EVS exam. Okay, and you have to read those 8 chapters from first chapter to 8th chapter very attentively. Okay, everyone. So that's all for today. Read those chapters very attentively. Give the EVS exam best. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye.